Hi, this is Patricia with the Crazy Cat Lady Crochet and Craft Group. Today I'd like to share with you some upper body exercises that I like to do before I start crocheting. First of all, if you like my videos, please be sure to subscribe and click the thumbs up button. So, as when I'm crocheting, I tend to sit either in the couch or at my desk chair or at the kitchen table, and you got to hang your head down, and then you got your shoulders scrunched up because you got your elbows leaning on either leaning on the table, leaning on your desk, or you're trying to hold them up with your project in your hand. So what I like to do is start at the top of the head and just kind of roll your neck because it gets tight up there from hanging your head down. And so just I do this a few times, loosen up my neck muscles. And then the next thing I like to do is shoulder rolls because sitting there at the table, you get tight, holding your arms up, you get tight across here. As someone that's had frozen shoulder in both shoulders, you want to prevent that. If you haven't had it, try to prevent it. So anyways, shoulder rolls, just roll your shoulders backwards, just real slow. Might want to just do your right one, and then your left one, both of them at the same time, and then go forward. And you just feel the stress leaving out, back, and forward. And then just do a couple arm raises. Just I can feel it like up here in my upper arm. But just lift your arms up, loosen the muscles up a little bit. You sitting for an hour or two, you're gonna get stiff. And I haven't crocheted in a few years, and I can tell the difference when I sit. I get tight all over. So just shake out your arms, get everybody all loosened up. Then take your hands, put them together like this, palms facing palms, and then just one finger at a time. I'm kind of confused looking at the camera. Just push back one side, your pinky finger, and your ring finger, and your middle finger. And what this does is just, excuse me, it's allergy season, just stretches these ligaments and tendons out in your upper hand, just loosens everybody up in there. So you can't see. I do my pointer finger, and then with your thumb, move it around. Then repeat on the opposite side. So with your opposite hand, push the fingers back. Not too much. You just want to stretch. You don't want to take anything out of the joint. You don't want to do anything to delay the you don't want to do anything to delay the progress of your projects. Yeah, just and stretch, and then shake your wrists out, and just take your hands, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. And if you have any kind of stress relief balls, any kind of rubber balls, you might want to just squeeze on them and release, squeeze on them and release. And that gets these muscles loosened up. And then just take each finger and just kind of, not real hard, just real loose. And make sure they're good and relaxed. Because when you're tight, that's when things tighten up. They tend to pop, stretch, rip, tear. And when you do that, you can't crochet. The progress of your project gets delayed, and then frustration sets in. So those are just some things that I do before, crocheting. Just take your fingertips, finger to thumb, finger to thumb, finger to thumb, finger to thumb, then back again. You don't want to tire yourself out. You're just trying to loosen the ligaments and the tendons and the muscles up. And now that we've done those exercises, let's get to crocheting. Y'all have a good day. Bye.